What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install Epic Games on your PC. So firstly, what you want to do is to be on Google, then here you're going to search for download Epic Games Launcher. Here as you can see is the first link, so let's open it. Then you have the button to install on Windows, you're going to click on it. You're going to choose where you want to install the Epic Games, then you're going to click on save. Now after the Epic installer has downloaded, what we want to do is to double click on it. As you can see, a new tab has opened. You're going to choose where you want to download the Epic Games launcher, then you're going to click on install. Now all we have to do is to wait for it to download and install. As you can see, now it's updating. As you can see, Epic Games launcher has been downloaded, so let's open it. Now what you want to do is to connect to your account or to sign in if you don't have one. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.